So they didn't send me my camera back. What happens when your DJI breaks? My DJI broke a couple weeks ago and I had the same thought. There is no certified place that will fix my camera in the state that I live in. Thankfully, DJI on their app has a customer support section. I was able to ship my DJI to them and they would assess it and repair the damage. If you are within 1 year of purchasing your DJI and registering it, it is completely free of charge. And if you were lucky, like me, you will submit your claim 2 days after your warranty expires. And then you have to pay. So how much did it cost me to fix my DJI? How quick did I get it? Because the other thing is, when I went to go fill out the form to submit the claim, it told me it was gonna take 90 days to repair. But I was like, I just have a camera that doesn't work. I need to send it in. It has been around 2 weeks and I actually already received my DJI back. They basically sent me a free shipping label and I sent my broken DJI to them. And then from there, they assessed the damage. They then sent me an email telling me how much the repair would cost and I could either accept them doing the work or they would send it back again free of charge. I will put the exact amount here. I felt like it was completely worth it because my camera was dead and I would just have to let it go. And it was cheaper than buying a new one. So they didn't send me my camera back. They actually sent me a new DJI. At least I'm pretty sure it's new. So there apparently was a mobile malfunction. I basically got a brand new camera and I could not be happier. And this all happened within a 3-week time span from me sending it out and getting it back. And I'm so grateful because I thought I was going to be going 90 days without my camera. And when I received the package and I opened it up and I saw 2 DJIs, I was like, did they send me mine back and I got a new one? No, they did not. They just sent me back my old case, which was kind of weird. That's so funny. And I know it was my case because it had a cat hair on it, specifically a white cat hair. The new one that they sent me obviously came with a case. It's in perfect condition and I'm so grateful. I honestly 10 out of 10 recommend the DJI camera service. Like I said, I ended up with the best case scenario possible, especially with my warranty expiring 2 days prior.